operation. By clicking on port operation, the software opens up a new window, which we can see the three key performance indicators elaborated for this pillar. Volumes per call is the first one, and it shows how many flows of goods or passengers on average transit per call in each port or in aggregate in the whole port authority. Thereafter, cargo efficiency shows how many passengers or tons per hour are handled. Finally, ship rotation, the third one, KPIs, shows the ship's docking times in terms of hours. How much times, meaning how much times the ships are berthed. So first of all, let's focus on volumes per call. By clicking on the KPI, the software opens up a new windows, and we can see that there are two pages. The first one is concerned to the following markets: liquid bulk, solid bulk, container and cruises. The second one page focuses on ro-ro markets, private vehicle and passenger deep sea. But now go back to the first page, and we can see that the structure is more or less the same for each market. And we have first of all a line graph, which is where is plotted the KPIs for each month. So we have the monthly trend of the tons, in the case of the liquid bulk, the tons for each call, or in the case of the container, the TU per each call, or if we consider the cruises, we have the number of packs, the average of packs for each call. So we have selected the 2020 and both the port of the Port Authority, Naples and Salerno. But if we select just the Port of Naples and we focus on liquid bulk, we can see that nothing changed, which means that we have no flows on Salerno for this market. All change if we focus for continuity of analysis on container. More in depth, if we observe containers again, the average of Port Authority in terms of TU per call is 1039 in the 2020 by considering both port, Naples and Salerno. So if we go further into the analysis, filtering the data for each port, we can see that in Naples we have 1384 TU per call, and in Salerno the software shows 730, which means that the TUs per call of Naples are more or less on average double than the ones of Salerno.